Hello everyone, it's Chef ThugLife, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you a bunch of different options of things that you can have as a snack as opposed to just grabbing some chips and a can of soda. One thing that we can get started with is a variety of different types of nuts that are available, and they come in different flavors. Here you see we have some pistachios, and we have salt and pepper, just regular roasted, and we also have a sweet chili. You could also get nuts in different types of trail mixes, and the trail mixes can have different things in them. Like this one in particular, it has chocolate chips in it. This one has walnuts and almonds, or maybe you're into raisins, and then that's what this one has, along with this has peanuts, raisins, almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and dried cherries. Some other things that are really fun if you want to add to eating your pistachios is there are different types of meat jerkies. We have turkey. This one is chicken, and a more traditional beef jerky. So you can have different jerkies along with a trail mix or pistachios, and that makes more of a filling snack. It's just a soda and a bag of chips. And instead of grabbing soda, there's different options of flavored waters available. These here are like a sparkling one, so you'll still have that sparkling feeling as if you're drinking a soda. You have orange mango, peach nectarine. This is a cherry limeade. Coconut water is something that I've actually just gotten into. At first I didn't like it, but I usually will mix some coconut water with the orange mango, and it just gives you more water. And coconut water is really good for rehydrating you instead of having something that's really sugary like a Gatorade. This is great to have in the middle of the day when it's really hot out. And some other options is aloe water, which is also great for rehydration, and it can have different flavors as well. You can also have just a regular bag of popcorn. One bag of popcorn is a filling snack that you can have along with a drink, and then if you want to, you can mix things into your popcorn. Like, let's say we have some hickory smoked almonds and popcorn. That's cool. It may sound a little bit weird, but I like to mix things up because I like different textures. Something else that you can add, like let's say you had some jerky and then you had some cashews, is cheese. This is something that I actually grew up eating, is string cheese. It didn't have SpongeBob on it, which is actually kind of cool. I did grow up watching SpongeBob. And then you have these little individual packets of cheese that you just open up. I probably did this wrong. And you could just munch on one little cheese stick along with some sriracha flavored cashews and beef jerky. And if you also have crackers on hand, that's something that you can add in. Or you can use one of these rice cracker snack mix. All of these things are things that can be blended together to like make a snack. And another thing that I really like is to have is hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas. It's just blended up with a little bit of spices and some oil, and then it has pita chips on the side for you already, all to go. All of these things here, except for the cheese, minus the cheese, all of these things here were found at my local Dollar Tree. Oh, I don't think we got to the freeze-dried fruits. So that's if you don't have access to fresh produce and you want to still have some fruits, you can get some freeze-dried fruit. And again, you can have some fruit, some trail mix, jerky, and cheese, and then wash it all down with some coconut water. That would be something great to have like when you come back from school. Well, I don't know if anybody's coming back from school nowadays, but this is just something that is like a midday snack. It's not quite lunchtime yet, but you're a little bit hungry. Or if you just got done running around outside and you just want something quick, you don't want to cook, you don't want to bother your parent to cook anything, you just want to grab something on your own, this is something that is totally doable. I hope that the next time that you go for a snack, you decide to pick up something that you saw here today instead of just a regular bag of chips and a can of soda. Thanks for watching. I'm Chef ThugLife. Bye.